So I'm going to make a green drink right now. So I've got like 4 leaves of kale and protein powder that's very green, and then a chocolate protein powder because I want it to taste good. I have 4 dates because I'm really in the mood for something sweet, and frozen pineapple. So that's what I got. Here we go. Flip it on and low to high. With the tamper, low to high. And high. And let's taste test a spoon. Really good. Oh, and also cashew milk. I forgot to tell you that. So anyway, really delicious. Drink green drinks. Make your own green drinks. Drink green smoothies. Go green, go green. Bring in the greens. It will bring you energy, vitality, and health, and it's great for walking, for giving you an instant pick-me-up. Green juice goes right into the bloodstream. Do it. Get your protein in the greens. Have a good day.